There you go, everybody. So I was just talking to Arco before, and he wanted me to do a bit more of a close-up shot on the old Triumph, old Thunderbird. So I'll see what I can do here. So look, it's sprung back up. I'm not really sure. I'll just try and get some closer shots of it. See what I can do here. Finger out of the road. It's had this since the early 80s, about 83 or 4 or something like that. I went to pick it up with him as a kid. Drove up to, also part way up to North Island to go get it. An old V8 Holden Ute. Picked up this, the side chair, and another one in pieces. And then Dad restored this and painted it so close to the correct colour and all sorts of things. Because it was sort of a light blue, so the colour wasn't really the right colour. Just try and get in as close as I can here. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. Try and check this reasonably quick. So yeah, I think it's either 51 or 52 650 Thunderbird. I know Dad put cams in it. It's higher compression. I don't really know much else. I know it's still this original motor for it. It's still the original matching number motor, which makes it fairly desirable, I suppose, for this particular model. Like, there's probably not a lot left with the actual original motor in them. So yeah, but it's probably really sort of due for. Dad was saying there the other day that it's probably due for a rebore or whatever. I think it's still got the original barrels too, got the crankcase and the crank, and the barrels are all original. So yeah, I don't know what else to tell you, to be honest. But that's a bit of a quick look at it. Another quick look at it. Alright, cheers.